Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the derivation of the d square by 162 and d square by 1 which is the formula for the derivation of the weight of the steel finding. So in this is the steel bar with diameter d and the length 1 meter is given here. Assume so. Now we are going to find the therefore area of a steel rod is equal to pi r square, in which the d is equal to 2r, 2 times of radius. So or r is equal to d by 2, then diameter by 2. So is equal to diameter is equal to area is equal to pi d square by 4, which is the area of the cylinder. So therefore volume of steel rod is equal to area into length, area which is known as the pi d square by 4 into length is in 1000 mm. Therefore density of a steel which is known as the standard value 7850 kg per meter cube, which is have to convert in the kg. 7850 divided by 1000 into the mm, kg into converted into mm. So now after finding this, therefore weight of the steel bar, therefore weight of a steel bar is equal to volume of a steel into density of a steel. So volume, which is known as the pi d square by 4 into 1000 into 7850 divided by 1000 into 1000 into 1000. So 1000 cut, in which the pi value, which is known as the pi value, pi 3.14 into d this much only, and 4 into 7850 divided by 1000 into 1000. So after calculation of this value, we got the value of the 0.0061622 into d square. So 0.0061622 divided by 1 into d square by 1. So now we got d square divided, we can write as reciprocal 0.0061622. After calculation of this, we got the value of d square by 162.27. So this is the value we got the derived from the above expression. So please like, comment and share my videos so that all get the information about my channel. Thank you.